Hello boys and girls, my name is Sufiyan and welcome to Flagship Jin channel. Today we have the most famous, most favorite phone by the people in 2017 is iPhone 10, iPhone X, whatever you want to call. The box is quite similar to the previous model's box. There is no changes on the box, but one thing I noticed that there is no printed iPhone 10, iPhone X marks on the box. I have 64 gigs of model which he mentions here and some kind of a specification behind the box. So let me open the box to know what content we get in the box. First of all, there is some documentation from the Apple, and in this little pouch we get first SIM card tool ejection, some paperwork, quick start guide and Apple logo sticker. You can use these stickers wherever you want, like your laptop, your bike, your desk and your forehead also. This is the piece of paper of quick start guide. Actually, I opened the box before recording this video, so let's keep the device aside. This is what we get in this box. It's normal earphones with lightning connector. This is the data cable for your mobile device to connect the PC or charger. And this is the power brick, which is not a fast charger, it's a regular charger which is provided by Apple. Unfortunately, in 80,000 rupees we get a normal charger. And this is the main device, which looks great. Let's take a close look. Back panel made out of Gorilla Glass 5 and front as well, and dual camera lens surrounding by the metal grill and dedicated mic built in between the two cameras and LED light as well. On the right side of phone you found a power key which is quite bigger than usual and a SIM tray. In the bottom side you get a main mic, lightning port and speaker grill. On the back side you get the iPhone logo. On the left side we get volume rocker keys and silent keys as usual. There is nothing on the top side because the Apple removes the 3.5mm jack from their devices. And the most loving thing in this device, which is display, and I love very much because it's a quad HD display which is 458 dpi pixel density, 16 million pixel color and Super AMOLED. Dolby Vision and HDR10 supported. Let's talking about the camera. Camera quality is awesome. I just click some pictures to show you the camera quality. Apple used their latest chipset in this handset, which is A11 Bionic, hexa-core which is 2.39 GHz and Apple GPU which is 3-core graphics. 2716 mAh battery which is non-removable lithium ion battery, and also support the wireless charging as well. The front camera done the very good job as compared to iPhone 6 and iPhone 6s, and Apple add a screen flash features on this device. The front facing camera pixel also sharp. User interface is very good and quite responsive, and no glitch and lags while using the device. Some application does not support this unique design of display. All the developers trying to do their best to make such as applications. There are two shutters in this device. Right side you get a navigation system, volume rockers control and Bluetooth, Wi-Fi control system, music player as well. And from the left side you get a notification shutter which provides you all the notification of your device here. And this is how you can get your recently used application and open programs on your device. Click on one of them to use it again, and here you are. So this is the quick overview of iPhone X, iPhone 10, and hit the like button, subscribe my channel to get more video about the technology and unboxing.